Happy Thanksgiving! Got my Mayflower cup. Went to visit the Mayflower last month, maybe a month and a half ago. So what I have done already this morning is just cut some, we set up the coffee over here, cut some bread there. Those are all the pies. I'm going to cut this turkey, put it on a platter, wipe down the table, and start to get things ready. So these platters that I have can go in the oven. So I'm going to cut this all onto here, and then I'll cover it, and then when I warm it up, I can just throw it all in the oven just like that. Solid. So there is the turkey there, and then I'm just going to take the same one that I covered the turkey with and cover it over. So it is 10:27. We will eat our first around noonish time, and maybe like 11:30. That's the normal time that we eat lunch anyway. I find that with kids that are used to eating at specific times, that it's easier just to kind of keep their schedule, and if they feel like eating, they can eat, and if they don't want to eat, and then we just kind of let the food flow and roam throughout the whole day and evening. So we have like all day Thanksgiving pretty much. So right now it is 9:30 in the morning. I am going to, she's taking the stuffing out of that turkey. I'll share with you what I'm going to put on the table in just a minute, but I'm going to put the things that are going to need a long time in the oven to warm all the way through. So I'm going to put this sweet potato casserole in the oven. That will probably actually be in there for like an hour, so like 10:30, but it will keep its heat really well because the density of it, where something that isn't as dense will not keep the heat as well. So I'm going to do that first and then see what else I need to do. Things like the carrots pretty much just need warming up. Let's see, the green bean casserole will probably go in like half an hour, so I'll put the sweet potato casserole in there, and then I'll put other things in about half an hour. Usually people start coming between 9:30 and 10. So this is where we are with the turkey here. My daughter put the stuffing in this bowl, which can also go in the oven. So we're gonna take this and literally put it in a big pot so I can make some gravy. And I'll probably actually boil this down today so it will smell like this all day in the house. Scratch that. I'm not putting the turkey in the pot yet because I have the potatoes in my one pot that actually would fit it. So when that's done, I will. We're gonna take the turkey out and just put it on this platter for now, which I'll have to wash later, but then I'll be able to make the gravy into the pan here. Okay. Who wants to help me? I'm gonna put part of these on here and then part of them on here. Okay. Yep, you can help me. You can come help me with the vegetables.
I'll put that to the side for you. And then come back later.
Talk for a minute. Did you wash your hands? Mm-hmm. You did? Okay. Are you ready to help? Okay. You bring this platter to your sister and we'll set it up in just a minute. But then she can fill both platters with those. Thank you. Now we're gonna take, we have 2 of these. So then what we do, a little trick is you take a little thing like this and you put it in the middle so you can put dip in there or you can put dressing in there.
And then what's going in around?
What do you think would be good in dip or dressing?
Cucumbers.
Yeah.
And
Those aren't your favorite. Okay, so let's make this look pretty. So I'm just going to share like real life how I would teach. So here we go. Yes, very nice. So I have mine and you have yours. Let's see.
we're gonna put
Okay, so I'm gonna do my cucumbers and then you can do cucumbers. So I'm gonna make them look pretty, so we put them in there pretty.
Mom, how about I choose broccoli first on mine and you do cucumbers first on yours?
Okay, then we'll switch.
But what? Oh, dressing. This could go with dressing.
Yeah, there's carrots. You're right. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do that.
And I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, if you could maybe there. So when you're doing something to make it nice and pretty, sometimes this is a different color. So if we can maybe put, hold on 1 second, listen. If we put the different color in between and then the green again, sometimes that makes it just look a little prettier. Wanna try that? I think I'm gonna put the carrots next to this one. Celery. Ooh, that looks lovely. Can I have some pepper?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a handful, then you can have the rest.
Can I have some of those?
Sure. Peppers.
I didn't put carrots yet.
Oh, that's looking lovely. Boop, 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 boop.
Did you pass?
Yeah, so she's gonna make her tray nice and full like Mama's tray. And then we're gonna find something to put in the center. Yep, those are pretty. Is that all of them? Mm-hmm. Okay, awesome. Yep, these are good. So then I'm going to disperse these like half and half throughout the table. So there'll be 1 veggie tray here and then 1. So I'll just do that. Let's see. I'll move these ones down this way. And this here, I think I'm just gonna grab some ranch. Sometimes I make dip, but I'm just gonna grab some ranch. Do you wanna throw some ranch in the middle thing there? And then we have this. Yes, you may put it in yours when you're done. let's fill it all the way up. So there's plenty there because there's lots of people, isn't there? So we'll fill it like way up like a big mountain on the side.
Just like yours. And I can do my dress.
If you want, you can use all of those. So, veggie tray, eggs, not gluten-free bread, and then the other side will have eggs, veggie tray, and gluten-free bread. At the table until everything is situated at lunch, and then what I'll do is I'll consolidate all that, and then I will take out lunch and put that away for usually the following day or later on that evening, just depending on what everyone feels like. Alrighty, all situated. I cannot wait to eat that. Oh, we should get some butter. Of course I have to have that with butter. I think I'll probably put butter and cream cheese in the area of these. Messy but very workable plates for butter and cream cheese. My son just cut some fudge that he made last night to go with the desserts as well. I'm going to clean off this table right here, and we'll have our paper goods over here, and then coffee and drinks. Somebody brought some soda and stuff. So, soda? I don't know, sparkling water, something like that. Anyway, there's my coffee. I'm grabbing that and eating that. Okay, guys, who would like some snacky breakfast? So we have eggs and vegetables that you helped with, and cranberry bread. Who would like any of those things?
Me.
Okay, you can come get it.
Do you like my box?
What are you guys making?
I'm making a
Ooh,
box.
these are nice.
And I
Oh,
printed
that's
this out.
cute.
She printed it. I'm making a box, and then I'm going to do this.
Nice.
I just did it.
Okay, so I have stuffing in the back there, the sweet potato casserole on top. I have the, my daughter made macaroni and cheese to your left, and then to the right is green bean casserole. That's our first round in the oven. Okay, potatoes boiling, they're almost done, and then this is the green bean casserole. I'm gonna top it with some of, we're gonna dump the rest of this can that we saved the other day on top here, and then just pop them in for a minute. Make sure it's everywhere, so okay, so now I'm gonna see what's done in here. This macaroni and cheese looks done. I'm gonna take that out. Let's bring this over to the table. And grab the stuffing. The stuffing out. The sweet potato casserole. It's back in. I don't know which way I'm gonna go with it. All right, I'm gonna put that in. Let me see what else I have. I'm gonna do the stuffing from the turkey on the top here. This is a gluten-free mac and cheese. Besides the other stuffing, I have another stuffing, but I'm not going to do that. Throw those. Oh, the turkey. Can you grab the turkey off of this thing? Oh, and then the ham. So the ham. So I have the green bean casserole. Actually, I should probably put that one in front because it'll have to come out first. Let's see. So on top we have the turkey and the stuffing. Then I'm going to put the green bean casserole in front because it's not going to take as long as the ham to warm up. Just put the ham in the back, green bean casserole, shove it in and hope for the best. Hey guys, you ready to see the spread? So we have our ham with pineapple, we have turkey, so I set it along the table like this. People can go along either side of these, like kind of as Yeah, just walk along either side as they serve themselves. And then they can go sit in the living room if they'd like, or if they'd like to sit once everyone's served, they can also sit alongside here. So this is kind of more like a buffet rather than sit down and eat, because there's not a lot of space, as you can see, for plates. At our other house, we used to have it separated. Yes.
Over here too.
Yeah, you're gonna get a plate from over here. So over here we have coffee, we have the leftovers from breakfast, and then we have plates and silverware here. So they'll grab a plate, come along here. Mashed potatoes. I did do cream cheese in the mashed potatoes to make them a little special. This is the cranberry sauce we made the other day. This is the stuffing from In the Bird, and then gravy, green bean casserole, those carrots with the butter and brown sugar, our sweet potato casserole. I cannot wait to have that. This is gluten-free mac and cheese, regular mac and cheese. My daughter wanted to make those, and then so I didn't share that on a video. And then this is regular stuffing. We have gluten-free rolls. We have regular orange knot rolls. And then we have, this is regular cranberry bread. And then this is the gluten-free cranberry bread. And then napkins at the end. I'll probably need to refill that after. So that is our meal. And then I'll be back for set up the pies on the counter. So I'm leaving the gluten-free top on there so we know it's gluten-free. My son did fudge, chocolate cream, banana cream, cherry, blueberry, apple, peach, and pumpkin. And then I'm just gonna get a container of Cool Whip out. So we fill our tummies, and then we have pie, and then we play games in the afternoon. Everyone's always playing games in the afternoon. And then sometimes we go for a walk. So we went for a walk today, and just sharing with you guys the beautiful views that we saw on our walk. As you can see, the sun was starting to go down, so we stayed for a little while and then came back. It was starting to get a little bit dark, and then we played some more games, and now the kids are watching a movie and just getting ready for bed. This walk was so beautiful. The salt marshes, walking down to the harbor, just incredible, really. My 5-year-old is learning so many new things. Not only did she lose her tooth the other day, she's learning how to ride her bike. So she's having a fun time doing that. We will be having another day, just like Thanksgiving tomorrow, when my son and his wife come down here, which will be such a blessing. How was your Thanksgiving? I hope everyone has had a blessed and wonderful Thanksgiving.
Be careful. Dog dug that. He went to wave at us. I'm over to the left. Big tree.
No, get your foot out of there, please. If you want to see how cold it is, take your hand and you can see how it is.
This is way open. Hey, it's not that cold.
Do you want to go swimming? So we're wishing you a very happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours.